highly honored to have you. Thanks to you, sir. With immense affection and admiration, we welcome all the parents who are the world for the children. Thank you for joining us and giving the best students for this school. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am G. Greshmita. Now we will witness our auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. Now I would like to call our Honorable Chief Guest to light the lamp along with our Principal Madam, Mrs. Teja Subramaniam and other dignitaries on the stage. Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts, represents the free flow of wisdom and consciousness. Thank you. We all know that classical dance showcases the country's cultural heritage. It is a form of expression and communication. Let's give a warm welcome to our classical dancers as they bring the essence of life on stage. today's festivity. It is customary to start our event with a graceful and vibrant welcome dance. Our welcome dance is a heartfelt expression of our joy and the respect we have for our guests. So let's create an environment of grace and harmony. Please put your hands together as I invite my city students onto the stage.
Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now, let us sing along like oh oh. Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now, all my people shout like oh oh. We're gonna dance the night away and lose control 'cause it's okay. Let's party like you never did before. Oh, come, 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 come. It's gonna be fun, fun. Everybody, throw your hands up in the air. Jump, 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 jump. All my people stomp, stomp. People party everywhere. Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now. Let us sing along like oh oh. Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now. All my people shout like oh oh. The DJ makes you feel the beat. You just can't stop to move your feet. We can get the party started, so let's go. Oh, come, 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 come. It's gonna be fun, fun. Everybody, throw your hands up in the air. Jump, 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 jump. All my people stomp, stomp. People party everywhere. Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now. Let us sing along like oh oh. Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now. All my people shout like oh oh.
Now I would like to call Yoshua to give a speech in our mother tongue. మా ఉపాధ్యాయులు సరైన సలహాలు ఇస్తూ ముందుకు నడిపిస్తుంది మా సూర్యభాష ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం గారికి మేము రుణపడి ఉంటాము. ధన్యవాదములు. I would like to call Sahit and Nainika to host the rest of the program. Thank you. They will provide some clues here. Let's check it out. What is the clue? So the riddle goes like this. In rain, hold this above your head and wait, and it will help keep you dry. That's an umbrella? Yes, you are right. Get ready to be swept away by a colorful storm as our next performance is a vibrant umbrella dance. Let's give a big round of applause to our talented performers.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम. Zubidu param pam, Zubidu
zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं.
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay ay ay, zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Rim झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियां.
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay ay ay, zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Hey, zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. अंबर का चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा उठला के गा रहा.
है रात अकेली तन्हा, मुझे छू ले आके तू,
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay ay ay,
Zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
zooby dooby pam para, zooby dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby
dooby pagal stupid man. Zooby dooby para pagal
stupid man.
Where is speech English? Let's welcome her. Good evening to our honorable chief guest, our principal madam, Mrs. Teja Subramanian, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Lohita Sri. I am from grade 2. Today I am very happy to have a chance to speak today on the occasion of our school 8th anniversary. Heartiest congratulations to our 8th anniversary and best wishes to all of our teachers and our dearest principal madam, Mrs. Teja Subramaniam, for the school's continuing success. This day reminds us about the humble beginnings of this institution, the qualities that our teachers pick up over the years makes us the person we are. This is the place where we learn the basics of socializing. We are thankful as we are being a part of this magnificent school. And I want to end my speech saying a school temple of knowledge in which teachers are the priests and students are devotees, where education is worship. School is the building which has 4 walls with our tomorrow inside. We hope you all enjoy this program and that it turns out to be a great success and a memorable one for all of us. Thank you.
सबको शुभकामनाएं है। बहने स्त्री कक्षा का
सूर्य बाजार स्कूल में त्योहार बड़े धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। नृत्य, संगीत, तबका शादी को शिक्षण देते हैं। खेले का उत्सव मनाते हैं। कबड्डी, खो खो, हॉकी, क्रिकेट, वॉलीबॉल आदि तरह तरह का खेल का प्रतियोगिता विस्तार को उपहार देते हैं। यह अवकाश देने का अपना प्रधान अध्यापिका श्री तेजा सुब्रमण्य को धन्यवाद। सबको धन्यवाद for your wonderful words. Now I would like to call our school head girls to speak about our school. So let's welcome them. Principal Madam, esteemed teachers, beloved parents, and my dear students. I am Purnima, the head girl of the Surya Basra English Medium School for the year 2024 to 2025. I wish a very good and pleasant evening to everyone who is present here with us today. It is with immense honor that I stand before you today as a deputy head girl, Bhagyasri, to celebrate another remarkable year of learning, growth and accomplishment at our prestigious institution. Today, we all gather here to celebrate our annual day Utsav, the celebration of talent and creativity. The day filled with joy, talent, achievement. First foremost, I would like to welcome you all to our Utsav. In this year, we witnessed exceptional academic results, outstanding performances in sports and cultural events, and remarkable contributions from our students in various sectors. We are deeply grateful to our dear Principal Madam, dedicated teachers who have not only imparted knowledge but also nurtured potential and inspired us to reach new heights. The strength of our school lies in our community strives, where every student contributes to overall success and support each another. We celebrate each and every festival with joy and unity. Each and every student learns something new in this year. Our students have worked tirelessly, showcasing their skills in various fields. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our teachers for their unwavering support and guidance, and I would also appreciate the parents for their encouragement. I feel proud to be an head girl. I thank each and everyone who gave me this opportunity. This position taught me many lessons each and every day which helped me for my betterment. This journey has been filled with various challenges, but at the same time filled with lessons that taught me valuable teachings and have helped shape me the person that I am today. As I move forward, let us continue, embrace challenges, export new horizon and strive for excellence that all we do. Utsav is not a celebration. It's the reflection of our journey, showcase of talent and promise of brighter tomorrows. In our school, learning extends beyond the textbooks and exams, and together we can achieve great heights. I would like to personally thank each and everyone, especially the parents of your time and continuous support. Let us embrace the every second of this evening and make memories that we will collect with us. Hope you enjoy the program as we have prepared tonight as much as we have enjoyed putting it together. Bhagya, do you know one thing? What are you talking about? This is all impossible without your very keen support. Yes, I know. The strongest leadership is our school foundation, and without her it was impossible. Understood whom you are talking about? She is none other than our honorable and dignified Principal Madam. Yes, indeed, she is our strongest supporter. Our Principal Madam has given us the path to dreams reality and give the firm foundation of all young minds. So, we would like to respectively invite our dear Principal Madam to discuss the annual report. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome her with a big round of applause.
Garu, former Vice Chancellor of Acharya Nagarjuna University, directors, correspondent, parents and my dear students. I am your principal, Teja Subramaniam. A warm welcome about to everyone arrived here today. At your presence, I now present the annual report for the year 2024-2025. As we share the yearly updates of our activities, we take the modesty to say that we did our best to do as we have planned, and we are proud of our students and teachers who strived hard to achieve beyond expectations. we have focused on the holistic development of the students. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young mind to blossom. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of endeavor of all educators and institutions. Teaching the subject basics is the most challenging and important thing. Our teachers taught the basics both personally and in groups. We conducted spelling bee for each and every class, which improves reading comprehension and writing ability by exposing them to a wide range of words and their proper usage. To encourage them in this particular aspect, we even awarded them as spelling superstars. A digital classroom provides numerous benefits for students. Video capture attention more effectively than traditional lectures. This year, we started taking students for the digital classes. First, our teachers explain the lessons in the class, but we felt it is not enough for them to grasp easily. So, they are taken to the digital class and the teacher shows the animated video related to that particular lesson. Our teachers took 2 or more library classes per week. This helped students to develop literary skills, build a love of reading and explore. Computer labs are playing vital role in school because in today's paced world, technology has become an integral part of our daily life. So, it is important for the students to stay updated with the latest technological advancements. These younger kids usually don't like coming to school. In this age, they always wanted to stay with their parents, watch TV and always stay playful. So, to encourage them, we provide 100% attendance certificates and written gifts to them each and every month. Drawing allows children to freely express their thoughts and also encourages imaginative thinking. Holding crayon or pencils and making controlled movements on paper helps strengthen the small muscles in the hands and fingers. Next up, we have activities, which are the most important part of our curriculum. So, these little stars start witnessing outside world when they join the school. Until then, their world is filled up with his or her parents and close relatives. Now, after coming here, they start learning new things, meeting new friends and respecting teachers likewise. During childhood, they have difficulty to understand and grasp the complete knowledge by just hearing. They lack interest if we ask them to sit and listen. They always show interest to play and enjoy their space. So, that is why our teachers plan activities to teach them something. These activities improve the physical, social and emotional well-being of children. Through play, children learn about the world themselves. Our teachers conducted many activities like healthy food, effects of using mobile phones, good touch and bad touch, stranger activity, etc. Every child is taken care personally. Good health of the student is the primary concern of our school. They have water breaks, snack breaks, and each and everyone's box is thoroughly checked and teachers feed them personally if they are slow eaters. Regarding classes also, the teachers monitor each and every child with utmost care and interest. Recently, we took all the students for a field trip to zoo and Ramanaidu Studios. Field trips provide real-world experiences. They help the students to make connections between ideas. They help students build relationships and respect other people's opinions. We have provided classical dance twice in a week for girls and that too absolutely for free of cost. Talking in assembly is very important for students because it helps to develop their public speaking skills, boost confidence, express themselves in front of large audience. The students who are standing in the ground and listening were also benefited by listening. Almost each and every student from all the classes have got onto the stage and spoke in front of the audience. Celebrations sharing the happy moments together and spreading joy all around is a vital aspect which we follow every year without fail. We celebrate both religious and national festivals with unity. First of all, Friendship Day. Our teachers prepared bands and tied to their students, and higher classes prepared their bands and tied to each other. A teacher should be a best friend who corrects and guides her students. We celebrated Independence Day, Republic Day and Constitution Day. Every year, each student will be given an eco-friendly idol, not only for their well-being, but also they will learn about the benefits of using eco-friendly idols. Dasara is one of the most important festivals. This year, we celebrated Dasara according to the themes. So, each class selected a particular state and they celebrated the culture, tradition along with the festival. Diwali is the most favorite festival for kids. For Diwali, they were given diyas and chocolates. Along with this, we taught them the story of Diwali and also how all these crackers cause pollution to our environment. And next is Children's Day. We conducted games for every class and awarded the winners. Every class teacher gave written gifts and held a party in every class. Christmas was also celebrated with a new zeal and enthusiasm in which all the students expressed their joy by dancing and singing songs. This year, we welcomed New Year by preparing greeting cards, dancing and of course a party. Pongal will start a bit early in our school. That day feels like the best day in the whole year. All our cuties get ready in traditional wear. We have lots of celebrations like Bogi Pallu, Bogi, Rangoli, preparation of sweet Pongal, kites and many more. That day, our school was filled with all the kids flying kites, playing with each other and shared their joy with us. Sports is also one of the biggest occasions which is held every year in our school. This year, our sports day was held on Feb 13th. This includes march past, drill by higher students. Each and every class teacher conducted games for their respective classes and the winners were awarded. Other activities like talent show, drawing competition, vocabulary building activities, mind games and many more were conducted regularly, which helps the students to remain active in the class. And one more thing is, in our school we explain the stories by acting with the proper costume so that the students can understand more clearly. After the first 6 months, we had parent-teacher meeting for every class. The class teachers spoke to each and every parent personally and noted down the points to be improved and started working on them. Any school's performance is analyzed by the performance of the 10th class students. And I am proud to say that our top score for 2024 is 565 and second highest score is 551 and we have 100% pass percentage. Next, we have 4 houses in our school and the members were taken from 5th to 10th. Each house was named after a great personality and each house was headed by captain and a vice captain. We also have head boy, head girl and deputy head boy and deputy head girl for higher and primary to look after and control the students. They will be given few responsibilities and they act as the leaders for the students. Apart from this, we have student members who looks after the problems of the students and also they act as volunteers for every important occasion. We also had a disciplinary committee which constitutes a head and few selected students who takes care of the discipline outside the classrooms. All these people take care of the students and they will inform the teachers if anything goes on. So, by interacting with them, our pre-primary kids have developed the leadership qualities and also learn how to be responsible for their institution. Next up, we have sports captains. We have a sports captain and a deputy sports captain who looks after the affairs related to the sports. The act of taking an oath signifies the importance of upholding and school's values and expectations. It can foster a sense of unity within the student body as everyone witnesses the newly elected leaders taking on their roles. Everyone competes in their school with their friends, but it is also very important to know about the competition outside the school. Every year, Balotsav was held in Guntur, where thousands of schools from all over Andhra come and compete with each other. So, we select few candidates for different categories and take them to Guntur for the participation. Various competitions like drawing, dance, costume, poem recitation, quiz, etc. And this year, we secured a 3rd place. We also provide abacus classes from pre-primary. Our grade 5th students secured 1st place in abacus district level competition for the 2 years consecutively. Playing chess can help to improve cognitive skills and problem-solving abilities. 3 of our students secured places in chess competition. Master Naveen, Miss Akila and Miss Kusuma. We provide karate classes from 3rd to 9th twice a week for free of cost. Recently, our students bagged medals in the karate competition too. Miss Akila and Miss Gautami. Last but not least, I personally believe the good work of the school is the result of hard work of students, parents and teachers. Looking ahead, we remain committed to our core values and will continue to strive for excellence in all aspects. We invite everyone to actively participate in shaping school's journey towards even greater accomplishments. Thank you.